Hello, I got my package. I ordered this from Sunbeam, and let's see what's in it. What's inside? It's one short control. We have two of these sun panels. One more. And I got some okay, and I got these ones. If we open one of these, there are four, I think. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these. I'm gonna open one of them. Panels that have no sun panel in them. They are just black and look like this. And some tape so you can glue them down. And this should be one of the panels. I'm gonna take some tape to protect them. These are the cables. I just protect the cables, and it's a really thin cable. And this is the panel. And it's thin like this, and you have no junction box or anything above this. And you put this one, and you can have this behind, so you get the same look, almost the same look. Yeah. This panel I got earlier this week. This one is one of the black panels, but it is a different kind than this one. That's the one they give more watts per square meter, what you say. This one is a little less, so I got 86 watts out of this one, and I got 114 watts out of this one. We're gonna have one of these in the middle, and we're gonna have two of these ones beside, and then I'm gonna cut out of these ones to get the nice shape. Now we're gonna look in this one. inside. Charger controller. Here you have the connections. Look like this. And you can put an external display. If this one is not in a good place, you can have an external display. Or you can buy an USB dongle and get everything in your phone if you want. I don't have that yet. I start with just this one and let's see what I think of it.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.